from a whole nother planet. Ice on my neck.
Okay, hello y'all. I know I've been gone for a while, but I got some big good news for y'all. First, let me fix this. Okay, so first is your girl done started her own business. Yes, I done started my own business. I'm so proud of myself. So I'm gonna be doing some episodes showing y'all how I got started and all that stuff. So this first episode is gonna be my inventory. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I have and pretty much everything I bought to start the business. And yeah, let's get straight to the video. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna be showing y'all are my bonnets. All the bonnets are right here in this little section. And I have this one, nice little black multicolored Louis Vuitton, really good quality, pink inside, love it, looks really nice. Second one, I have the Supreme / Louis Vuitton, also has the pink inside, really cute, and that's my favorite, I think. Yeah, well, I love them all, to be honest. Ooh, where my other one? Let me show you my favorite. Hold on. And then we have the red Supreme Louis Vuitton. It also has the pink. All of them have the pink inside. The Chanel, yes. Fendi. Oh, and this is my favorite. Yes, ma'am. This is my favorite. The little hearts. Yes. And these are for $20. But I'm doing a 20% off sale, or if you buy a do-rag you get $5 off with them together. So yeah, so let me show y'all the do-rags now. Okay, so for the do-rags I have this cute pink Gucci one, another Gucci one with little stars and stuff, Balenciaga. We got the MCM in the building. The red Supreme Louis Vuitton, just like the bonnet. We also have the blue Louis Vuitton Supreme with the bonnet. We have this one, the bake, real cute, real different. Chanel, yes. And we have the Fendi. Love this too. And I have some more. Like I think I'm missing like one. Oh, and I have also this Gucci one right here. Love this one too. And I bought, okay, so I bought, how did I buy these? I bought 180 bonnets. So I had like 30 each of the bonnets. And then for the do-rags, I have like 200, but like they all came in like different numbers. I don't know why, but they all came in different numbers. But there's a lot of each. And yeah, so the next thing I have are these cute shades. Love these blackout. Like this, they dirty right now, but this just makes the outfit pop to me. Like you put these on, like you look like a baddie automatically. Like all you need to do is put some lip gloss, some lipstick, something on, and walk out, do your hair, and you're good. Like nobody will ever know. So yeah, I bought 50 of these because I just like didn't know. They came in this little package like this. And I will be putting the price of how much each of my items like cost in bulk, so y'all get like an idea of what all I got. Oh, okay, didn't mean for that to happen. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my mask. Yes, girl, I got some masks for y'all. Okay, so next we have the mask. Okay, so first I have these cute black Chanel masks. They even come with like, oh, you can't see, but the adjustable little thing, so like if you got a big face or little face, it'll fit you. I got the white Chanel. Focus please. Yes ma'am. Louis Vuitton one, you know, the multicolor, cute. This is, oh, if this could focus, it'll be great. Okay, whatever. But this is supposed to be like Dior, but it says Diva, so whatever. But it's still cute, right? Yeah. This is just a black and white Louis Vuitton mask. Can't go wrong with black and white. And I just thought that these were the cutest masks ever. They're supposed to be like a grill or like some teeth, and they got like the Louis Vuitton symbol and like on each tooth. So cute. Love it. Next, black and white Gucci. Can't go wrong with this one either, you know. And I'll wear these masks like, well, not a party, but like if I'm going out somewhere. Like I'm not gonna wear this to work. I'm gonna wear my work mask because I'm not trying to get my good stuff dirty. And these are not 20. These are $9.99. I also, can you focus please? Okay, I also got these white Louis Vuitton masks, you know, multicolored white Louis Vuitton. I thought this was the cutest thing ever. The Mickey Mouse with the Gucci. Real cute, nice, yeah. And last but not least, we also have the red Louis Vuitton mask. And I got about 21 of each of these. About. Like I said, some of them came differently, and then I took some so I can have for myself. So yeah, so next thing I showed y'all everything that I bought, like that I'm selling. Okay, next thing I'm gonna show y'all is like the shipping stuff, like the printer, bubble wrap, labels, all that stuff. So let me get this stuff out the way and we're gonna move to the table. Or am I just, I don't know, but yes. All right, so now I'm gonna be telling y'all what I use to ship out my orders. Okay, so first of all, I use this one. This is 6x10, I believe, and it's a padded envelope with little bubble wraps in it. Cute color. And I use these only because I put a cute little goodie bag in there for the first couple people who buy. So if y'all want a goodie bag, shop now before they run out. They're free. But once I run out of goodie bags, I will be using these little packages right here for the do-rags and bunnies. Like if they buy one or two, it should be able to fit in here. And this is 6x9. The next thing I have are these padded envelopes, and this is, what is this? These are 4x8. And I love these, so cute, so small. This is gonna be for my little shades. Keep it protected. And then I have some bigger ones, or if you like order more than one or two or three, you'll get this one or this one. Yeah, I know they're all different colors, but y'all, I was just like, so much cute stuff. And I also have extra bubble wrap just in case, because you never know what could happen. So I got some extra ones. So yeah, now we're gonna be moving over to like the technology part, like I use the print, my computer, all that stuff. So yo, so this is like my little setup that I use or whatever. Let me move this out the way. This is my scale. You need a scale to weigh the items, so you don't have to like actually go into like the post office. You can just weigh it. Here's my printer, and then here's my little MacBook. So I'm gonna like do like a little order for y'all, because I have one. I have 3 orders right now. So I'm gonna kind of just do one real quick and try not to put their address, out there. So actually I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna make a fake order, and then I'm gonna just do it like that. So I'll be back. Okay, so first you pretty much just start off by picking the size of your package, and this is mine that I use. So that's already good. Go down. I'm not gonna do an order. I'm just like showing y'all how my stuff print. Here's my printer. Let me turn it on. It goes like that. Here's the label. And then you push that. Make sure everything's good. And then you print. And once you print, it comes out just like that. And then you just rip it off. Oops, ugly. But you rip it off and you just put it on the package. That easy. This I like really recommend it. Like a regular printer is fine, but you don't have to worry about cutting it out. You don't have to worry about taping it. It's like a little sticker. You can buy like 500 of these for like $20. This was a little expensive, but really worth it, so I would recommend it. And I put the link for pretty much everything at the bottom. I got all of this on Amazon. Not this, but like these two on Amazon, and like the packages on Amazon. So yeah. Alright, the last thing I want to say is don't give up. Follow your dreams. I hope this video helped y'all. I will be doing more. Thanks. Love y'all. Have a great day or night.
Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you next, Ariana.